Hello, Aaron here with Grolawnuglyweeds.com. Today I'm coming to you from Burleson, Texas, and I'm out changing a sprinkler head on my own property because the rotary head wasn't turning. And when I was digging, I found that bad boy right there, man. Check him out. That little dude, he likes to eat on the roots of your grass without you even knowing. So sometime in October, November, you're gonna give me a call, says, Aaron, my grass is dying. Why is that? And I'm gonna ask you, well, did you put out grub prevention this year? And you said no. I'm gonna say, well, let's check for grubs. So how do you check for grubs? So unfortunately, there's no way to check for grubs without digging up the grass. So what you would do is you would dig a one cubic foot hole, and then you would count the amount of grubs in the hole to determine if you had a population enough to do damage to warrant treatment. So if you have 5 or more grubs in a 1 cubic foot hole, look at that beautiful lawn. Oh, sorry, I had to take a time out. So if you have 5 or more grubs in a 1 cubic foot hole, you need to treat. But if we dug a 1 cubic foot hole all over our yard in several locations to see if we had grubs, it would be better off to just let the grubs have it, because they're not going to kill the whole yard. They might kill a big section, but it's not going to look like Caddyshack in your yard. So what I recommend is doing a grub prevention treatment in the spring and then again in the fall, because that's when you're going to see your most grub damage. And that's going to be the little ones that are starving and they want to get some food in their belly so they can turn into that June beetle one day and make their June beetle parents really proud. And while they're doing that, they're going to feed on the roots of your grass. So what I recommend is just getting 2 treatments a year for grub control. If you're a DIY person, then you're gonna look for a product called imidacloprid. That's gonna be the active ingredient. The common name is gonna be Merit. There's some other generic names that it goes by. I can't remember what they are. But as long as your active ingredient is imidacloprid, that's gonna be a good product for you to use for grub prevention. And you wanna get that out about March and April would be the first round of the year. And then the second time you're gonna put it out, you're gonna wanna be start putting it out about maybe August 15th through about September 15th through maybe October 1st, because you're gonna start to see those grubs in late fall, like October, November is when you're gonna see the damage. And once you see the damage, it's too late. I mean, you can get rid of the grubs that are there, but they've already done their damage. And I do have this dry spot here from a broken sprinkler head. I don't know if you can see. It's probably about 5 o'clock on August 7th. And you can see here, out here, my yard needs to be mowed. The yard company's coming today. But you can see here, all these leaves are opened up. So I'll pull one off. This is gonna be a 2-in-1 video. So it's late afternoon, and that blade of grass is completely open. So that means it's getting plenty of water. Over here, where the little rascal wasn't turning properly, it was stuck in one direction and wasn't turning. You can see this one is folded in half. That's a sign of drought. So that's why I'm checking my sprinkler so I don't lose this area. I'm replacing it because that little rascal wasn't turning as it was supposed to. So if you ever have any questions about grub control or your lawn, please give us a call, 817-447-7711, or visit us at our website at uglyweeds.com. Thanks. Bye.